to start talking a little bit more about supply and demand, because you hear those two words and you've probably used them before. However, you usually attribute those two words to a product, service, or commodity, and that makes total sense. However, before we start going down that rabbit hole, we need to actually understand what creates monetary value within a product or service. And these four key points on the board here are called the factors of value, and they underpin the fundamentals of supply and demand. And I've seen them in any real estate textbook that I've come across over the last number of decades. And it's all about, it makes sense when you think about it. If I want to fork over my hard-earned cash for a product or service, I need to have enough desire for it. I need to want it or need it. Utility is all about use, and I need to be able to see the benefit that use or uses provides to me both now and in the future. Scarcity, I need to know how limited or how rare or how abundant in nature it is. It sits on the supply side. And effective purchasing power, which is on the demand side, is determined by my price ceiling. So these 4 points need to be working in unison in order to, as in one cannot be missing, in order to create monetary value within a product. So after this, we're going to start talking a little bit more about supply and demand, because I think it's very important. But until then, thank you very much. My name's David Cavigan from Urban Statistic.